What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Hope everyone enjoyed the holidays. It's a beautiful sunny day in Vancouver. Let's go for a ride.
What they call you, where you from, nigga? Looking at the legend I become, nigga. I can't help but feeling like I am the one, nigga. What they call you, where you from, nigga? What they call you, where you from, nigga? What they call you, where you from, nigga? I can't help but feeling like I am the one, nigga. Runaway bus catching, blue line train riding, west side with the young extras. These old rules came with no questions. Grown and live by, but it's no exception. Was young and reckless with loaded weapons. It's code of ethics and self-destruction. When it's over, you left with nothing. This life ain't it, boy, better check the subtext or the fine print. Felt entitled to this fly shit. Felt like every bad bitch should be on my dick. Felt like niggas lied to us on some fraud shit. Fuck it, that's just how the ball bounce on some ball shit. I'm right here with all my brothers on some squad shit. All money, one nation under God shit. Neighborhood Nipsey Hustle on some boss shit. AKA nigga born broke, that'll die rich. What they call you, where you from, nigga? In my city, that was question number one, nigga. Looking at the legend I become, nigga. I can't help but feeling like I am the one, nigga. What they call you, where you from, nigga? In my city, that was question number one, nigga. Looking at the legend I become, nigga. I can't help but feeling like I am the one, nigga. 3 words to make a motherfucker heart burst. I rip the verse first, nigga, when I start to curse. Picture a black hurts, adversaries buried in they Sunday best. He blinked, died in the dark, my gun sprayed his chest. When will I die, nigga? We all die, so until I die, why must I ride on my enemies until they fry? Father, forgive them cause they not knowing. My Glock cock niggas drop when my shots flowing. My definition of a thug, nigga, a multi-millionaire started as a drug dealer. I love niggas open fire when I blast at you. Everybody dies, bad boy massacre. I laugh at you, holler my name, I reappear like a genie, knowing no man alive can see me. Motherfuckers making problems, but they get what they deserve. Get destroyed with these 3 words, motherfuckers know. What they call you, where you from, nigga? In my city, that was question number one, nigga. Looking at the legend I become, nigga. I can't help but feeling like...
Okay guys, we're in New Westminster. Check out the view. There's the Fraser River over here. That's a Surrey across the water. Here's a New West Quay. That's the world's tallest tin soldier. What a gorgeous day today. First ride of 2021. Hello.
It's yours?
Yeah.
So it's just the regular bike?
It's electric.
Electric?
Yeah.
Oh.
It goes at 80 kilometers per hour. Very fast.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it's just a pedal bike.
No, it pedal and electric, both.
Oh, both?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it looks nice.
Thank you. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a quick walk around on my bike since everyone's been asking about it. Let's start off with the frame. It's made by TSP Cycle Farm. The model is a Wave HC. It's a limited edition frame. I have number 37. It's got a candy green paint with a gold base. It's got a lot of sparkle in it. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. It's also got the Demon fork. And it's powered by a Crystalite 3000 watt motor. I got the 560mm perimeter front brake. The front wheel is a 26" by 4" rim. It's got a 3" tire. Headlight is from a Ford motorcycle, ordered off Amazon. It's got its own power supply. It's LED bulb in there. This is the shifter for my Sturmey Archer. This lever is for the front brake. It's also got regen braking. This is the lever for the rear brake, throttle, and I got a bell. The electronics are controlled by a Grin phase runner computer. I got a 72-volt battery, 3-piece crank with a bigger sprocket added to it. Rough Cycles metal seat. That's smart tail light. It brakes when it flashes when I brake. In the rear, we got a 24" by 6" wheel with a 4 1/4" tire. Sturmey Archer 3-speed rear hub. It's also got rear disc brakes. I think that's all. What do you think? Make sure you smash the like button if you like my bike. It's a little dirty, but whatever, still sick. Okay, I'm gonna do some cinematics. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, because got a lot more videos coming, and I'll see you next one. Peace.
Nigga had the nerve to walk up on me, ask me where I'm from. I told him I ain't bang it, didn't listen, so I gave him one. Not the Sadiddy one. Nigga tried to hit him up. Now he wanna get him up and set it up and wait it up. Now I'm from the hood, checking niggas on the daily. Started off BG, OG, baby. Real live homie, 2 heaters in my seat. Had to check a nigga at the Compton swap meet. Where you from? I don't bang. Where you live? Where you hang? Say the wrong thing, then bang. Lights out, kites out to the homies in the pen. Crippin' in the city, we ain't letting cuz there a lot of niggas camouflage, try to blend in to fit in. Get a hood rap so they can sit in. But if she got a brother, a daddy or a cousin, they hit your ass up like a motherfucker. Where you